after bringing the problem of
Nishikaro iria ithiete na mbere igikuruhania kamite ya bunge giokui na nyitite matiganite ruhonge-ini rwa ukui wa ndege iguru rigi uramati wa iharo cia ndege cia guku bururi-ini. Kuna umuthi uma muthenya wa giathi gia kamite ino na ruti wira ruhonge-ini ruru abunge marika kwenda kumenya gitumi kia atwarithia a ndege gukorwo makiriho mishara ya iguru makiria ni kambuni itarathondeka faita ya kuigana.
How do you feel when you take 1.6 million shillings to work for 1.5 hours a day from an organization that is almost closing down and shutting down? What is your future? If you continue milking this cow the way you are milking it, and you are not giving it anything to continue producing, this cow is gonna die, and you have to look for work elsewhere.
Ona kuri ugu atwarithia ndege ni meteteire makiuga mishara yao ndirakiruka ikero iria ciagiriire guku makiorotererio rugamiriri wa kambuni ya KQ ni mathina maria mamagumeire.
KQ's growth cannot be assured without an improvement in its cash flow, which would require significant financial injection from investors and shareholders.
He is here almost 2 years and he has achieved zero. In fact, they are delaying to release the financial results because there are more operating losses, and you will confirm it.
Ningĩ aruti wĩra ni maugĩte matiraregana na ikinya rĩa kambuni ya Kenya Airways rĩa kuoya matamu maura matio iharo cia ndege ĩndĩ kĩrĩa mararegana nakĩo nĩ ũndũ ũyũ kũiguithanĩrio gĩthiri ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩhutia mĩrutĩre yao ya wĩra.
CALPA will only offer full support to an avenue that will genuinely help change KQ's fortunes while also explicitly protecting jobs and benefits of all employees involved.
Some of the things that they are proposing were proposed by CBAR. For example, creating a tax-free zone within the airport. It is in the CBAR report. However, CBAR never said that for you to fix problems at KQ, go and grab JKIA, because what they are doing is almost, it amounts to grabbing.
Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya ũnjũria ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.